Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the system usage tracker so data can be recorded. Open Settings and go directly to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap to configure. Grant usage access to the Digital Wellbeing app when prompted, and make sure Google services are available. This allows continuous logging. If you share the phone, set yourself as the owner profile so personal watch time isn't mixed. Once done, the phone begins collecting usage data immediately. Now you'll explore the dashboard to read the collected watch time. Open Digital Wellbeing, then tap Dashboard. You'll see a chart of daily minutes and the top apps by usage. Tap any app row to reveal session lengths, number of opens, and the total screen time for the selected range. Use the date filter to switch between today and last 7 days for trends, and scroll to compare weekdays. This helps you understand where time is going and identify heavy-use apps. Finally, take action on the watch time insights by setting limits. In Dashboard, tap an app, then add timer or enable focus mode to cap daily minutes. You can also set a bedtime schedule to reduce night use. If you need records, export screenshots of the charts or copy the figures manually for reference. If watch time isn't appearing, make sure usage access and battery optimization exceptions are allowed. Update MIUI and reboot the phone. These steps usually resolve missing data issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.